Hey, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Stay tuned. I've got a great review for you today. The Love Notions Legato Jeans pattern is finally here. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. Today, the long-awaited day that the Love Notions Legato Jeans pattern has dropped. So I'm going to tell you all about that pattern in just a moment. But first of all, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, this is the place where I talk about pattern reviews, sewing tutorials, anything sewing related. We also have some live chat sessions. We learn a lot from each other during those, and you are welcome to join us at any time. If you want to take your sewing to the next level, this is definitely the place you want to be. So today I have the privilege of introducing you to the Legato Love Notions jeans pattern. I was one of the testers for this pattern, and I have to tell you that of all the patterns I've ever tested or been a part of, this one has been the most well-researched and heavily tested pattern, I think. It's a long time in coming, and the results are worth it. So I'm going to tell you all the wonderful details about this in just a moment. If you're new here, the way I do pattern reviews, even though I'm an ambassador of Love Notions, I will always give you the honest truth. If there's something that I don't think is quite right, then I'm going to let you know that as well. But for the most part, if I choose a pattern to review, it's probably because I like it. So the truth is, I'm probably reviewing the things that I like. So mostly my reviews are positive for that reason, and for that reason only. I do follow a set list so that you know exactly how my reviews are organized. So with that in mind, I'm going to get right to it. So today, this is here the one of the pairs that I have made, and I wore this to church and the apple orchard last Sunday. So I had my daughter-in-law take some photos of them, and I'm really happy with the results. So before I go any further, there is an affiliate link in the description of this video. Feel free to use that link. It will benefit the channel just a little bit. It doesn't cost you any more at all. There is also a link to the course, and for this week only, the release week of the pattern, you will automatically get the pattern when you buy the course, but that's only for this first week that the pattern is released. It's also on sale this week, so you're going to want to check that out. But you aren't able to use the coupon code on the course this week, so just keep that in mind. Normally, you can use my coupon code, which is Dorothy10, all caps, and you can use that to get an extra 10% off of anything, even sale items. I think you can still use it on the pattern itself, but if you buy the course, you're getting another offer because you're getting the pattern for free. So you cannot use the code just on that one instance, okay? All right, so definitely check that out. You can either use the affiliate link or my code. Either way, I get credit for it, okay? And it doesn't cost you any more. All right, let's go now to the details of this pattern. So Legato is a slim fit or a straight leg jean. It's not really a skinny jean, although to me, I feel like for the way they fit a lot of the girls, they are more of a skinny jean, I think, to what I think of when I think of skinny jeans. But they're more of a straight leg jean and a mid-rise. So they're really nice for any figure. And I've seen many, many, many testers in these jeans, and I have not seen them look bad on anyone. So you're in control, don't forget. You're in control of how slim those legs are. You're in control of how that fits. So there's no reason you can't wear these. And I think that there's so much help in getting these right that I don't think you're going to have any problem at all. All right, so the sizes are 0 to 32. There's also a adjustments for curvy or straight waist, meaning if you're an apple shape, you might want to use the straight one. If you're more of a pear shape, you'd want to use the curvy one. There's flat and full bottom adjustments, and petite, tall, or regular. So there you go. All the possible combinations you could ever want, and it's all in one pattern. So I think that it is going to definitely fit everyone. Let's talk about wearability. All right, so you know that jeans are the all-American outfit. You know, they're the ones that we reach for every day. I'm a denim girl. And by the way, this is denim week on Dorothy's Daughter. Everything I do this week is going to be about denim. We kicked it off last week with a live chat on denim sewing tips, and we're continuing it this week, the Legato Jeans release. I'm going to have a thread painting video where I'm going to be sewing a butterfly onto the back of a jean jacket, and also a jumper that I have used 11 pair of jeans to construct. So I'm looking very forward to showing all of these to you, and that'll all happen this week. Anyway, wearability, denim is it. I mean, it's just everything that, it's the best thing to wear. You know, they mold to you after a while, and I think it's going to depend on the fit and the fabric. So they've given you all the help for the fit, and take their suggestions for the fabric, which we'll talk about a little more when we talk about materials needed. Okay, so I can't imagine anything that's more wearable than jeans. All right, ease of construction. Okay, here's where some people are gonna think, oh no, I can't do that. Let me tell you something, you can. And they did develop a course. It's $25, and this week it is actually includes the pattern. Okay, so that is one way that you can learn about making jeans. The other way is just to follow the instructions. There's tons of help online. I love making jeans. I think if it's slow sewing, okay? It's not something you do in a day. You just get yourself, sit down, do 1 or 2 steps, put it away. Next day, get it back out again, do another couple steps, put it away. At least the first time that you make them. Don't look at it the big project. Look at it as the individual steps, and you will have yourself a fantastic pair of jeans. All right? I guarantee you can do it. Definitely. You don't need any special machines. It's nice to have a serger because jeans fray, as we know, but you can use a zigzag on your sewing machine. So it's possible to just use your plain old sewing machine. All right, we talked about that a little bit. Go back and watch the denim tips from Friday, and you'll see that everything you need is mostly stuff you have already. All right, let me interrupt this video with a little commercial and remind you that if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click that little bell so that you get notifications when I post a new video. And always a like, a share, a comment is always, always appreciated. It helps the channel grow, it helps our little algorithm here, and it just benefits the channel all the way around. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. All right, so sizing. Okay, 0 to 32. Really? I mean, that's pretty inclusive. Petite, tall, regular, flat butt, full butt, straight waist, curvy waist. I don't think there's anybody that can't wear these. I think that pretty much you're going to find that any figure could wear these jeans. What I've seen them on the gamut of testers. I mean, they get all shapes and sizes to test, and that's one of the reasons it takes so long, because they want to make sure that it's working for all these different shapes. And let me tell you something, I did not see anyone that they didn't look good on. So I think the sizing is kind of knocked out of the park with this one, even more than any other pattern I've ever reviewed. This one is going to definitely work for you. Here's the sizing chart. And that is the measurements that you need to pay attention to as you decide on your size or sizes if you intend to blend. I had quite a blending of mine. And then here are the finished measurements that you will be able to know exactly how much ease you're going to have when you have constructed it according to that. All right, as far as materials needed, the only thing that you're going to need besides your denim, which we'll talk about in a moment, you're going to need a jean zipper, some metal zipper, and you're going to need a jeans button. You're going to need top stitch thread, or you can use two spools of thread threaded through the same needle can give that same effect. We talked about that on Friday as well. You optionally rivets, but I think rivets really give it a nice touch. Plus they really do increase the durability of them. So you can check that out as well. A rivet press would be an optional thing as well. As long as you have a hammer, you can do a jeans button. So those are the things that you're going to need other than just your fabric. And like I said, the Cali Fabrics is putting together a kit, and I have linked it on the bottom in the description for you, so you can check that out. I think they're pretty reasonably priced, as I saw, so check those out. And as far as fabric goes, so you want denim, obviously. Doesn't have to be blue. Sometimes they make denim in colors as well, so feel free to vary that out. But you want a 10 to 12 ounce denim, which is a little bit more of a mid to heavyweight denim. And you want 1 to 2% of spandex. Please do not use 100% cotton denim. You will not get the same results. You won't get the comfort. That spandex, it doesn't really make them a stretch denim, but it's enough that it makes it comfortable and it helps with the fit. So don't skip that spandex. And if you can't find it, Cali Fabrics carries it, Mood Fabrics carries them. I think just about any of the major fabric stores. Joann actually does have a pretty nice denim as well with some spandex in it. So don't skip that 1 to 2% spandex. You could use more, but then you're going to get away from a classic jean feel. So just know that if you want to stretch denim, a higher percentage of stretch denim, you're going to want to just make sure that the fit doesn't get away from you and that they would be too large. So just check that out. But any denim, any color denim, and I think you'll love these. And here's a little diagram of the fabric choices and what they suggest as well, and how much you need. So that can help you. All right, so just a reminder that if you use the coupon code Dorothy10, you always get an extra 10% off on Love Notions. Even when things are on sale, with one caveat: if you purchase the course this week of, the Legato Jeans course, you're going to get the pattern for free. You cannot combine that offer with my coupon code. So just know that. However, you can use my affiliate link down below to purchase that. All right? So just a heads up on that, but always use that coupon code whenever you purchase something on Love Notions, and you'll get an extra 10% off with that exception. All right, in summary, these are the Love Notions Legato jeans. Would I make them again? Oh my goodness, I've already made 2. I'm working on a pair for my daughter-in-law, and I will be making many of these. They're going to be my go-to jeans pattern, and I've been making my own jeans for quite a few years now. The other jeans patterns that I have used are the Tessa from Seamwork, which I did love. And if I had 100% cotton, I would suggest that pattern. I've also done the ginger jeans, which were real popular quite a few years ago. This just blows that out of the water. So anyway, I just love these jeans, and I know you are going to as well. Be sure and share your makes on our Facebook group, Dorothy's Daughter Community, definitely. you want to always share that with us, and we just love to ooh and ah over your makes, and also we can answer questions. If you want me to see anything on the Facebook group and check it out, maybe help you with a fit problem, just tag me in the Facebook post and I will do my best to help you, as will about 100 other people. So there's a bunch of really helpful people on our Facebook group. The sewing community is like none other I've ever seen. If you haven't delved into being a part of the sewing community, I just invite you to. They're just the most amazing people. So anyway, check out the Legatos from Love Notions. I know you're going to love them. And check out our Facebook group. That's what I have for this time. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Go check out the Legato Love Notions. Make sure you use the links in the description, and I will see you soon. Happy sewing! All right, now that you've watched our videos, go ahead and check out one of these. Maybe you'll see something you like. Take care.